What's happening, buddy? I've got two clickable areas in a form, one that I can't click on the text to click on the checkbox, and one that I can. I want to show you how you can make the second one to make your forms even more useful. And we're starting right now. All right, I'm Haydn with A Designer Who Codes, and I'm all about helping you build better websites. In this example, I'm working off of a basic template with Bootstrap 5. All I do is I added a container in Hello World. What I want to do next is I want to add the input and the label for a form and create that checkbox. So what I'm going to do is inside my HTML, I'm going to add a div just to separate these two. And I'm going to say input, and then type is going to be a checkbox. Now, if I do it this way and I add the input and then I add a label, if I say label and I say unlinked label, that's because these two are not talking to each other. So if I save this and refresh the page, I get an unlined. It should have been unlinked. Let's do that again. Unlinked label. The reason for this is usability wise, especially on a mobile site, I can't click on this word and click on this checkbox by default. I have to click only on that square. What I'd like for my user to do is click anywhere in this area or create essentially a bigger hit state. So what I have to do is in this input section, I'm going to duplicate this. You can see before and after. And what I have to do is I have to give it an ID. And I'm going to say ID equals check. Now that we have the ID, I'm going to say label for and then check. Now that these two are tied together, when I save this, I'm going to have, let's not do unlinked, let's do linked. We can see the difference between the two of them. Now that I have unlinked, if I click anywhere in that linked label, it's going to default to this checkbox. But wait, there's more. I've got a ton of videos helping you build better websites. As always, I'm Haydn with A Designer Who Codes.